What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my next YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla. We're going to be breaking it down, what it did today, what I'm looking at for it to do in the upcoming week. Remember, Monday's closed, so we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for trading. Now, before I get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for being here. Let's get right into this video. So Tesla down once again today. Now, if you look at the S&P 500, it was up today, so you're probably like, wondering, the market's up, Tesla's down, what in the world is going on? Well, it looks like we're having a bit of a sell-off here. Obviously, we're down $6.11, which isn't a lot compared to what we were down earlier today. So if you were watching Tesla earlier today, we hit lows, as you can see, around 784. So we were pushing down. We were getting down there. Now, I talked about this in my last Tesla video I posted about 2 days ago, I think. I said as long as we close above this last low right here, then we should be doing fine. And that's exactly what it looks like we're about to do, guys. So this last low was right here at 793. We're currently at 805. So as long as we finish the rest of the session today strong, then we should be doing good. Now, ultimately though, I've talked about this many times before, I wanted to get back in our green box. Once we get back in our green box, I'll feel a whole lot more comfortable. Right now, we're kind of in this awkward stage where this is the reversal right here. This was that that higher low. And then we just start returning back, or this may just be a relief rally in this trend right here, and then we drop again. Obviously, if you're in Tesla right now, you do not want this to be just a relief rally, so we drop lower. Now I'm in Tesla, I'm in shares, so I'm looking to still hold this long over the weekend. I'm not too worried, but definitely we need to get some action going on. Now going to Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I want to see us getting back in here. If we get back in here, we should be doing fine, and then we can start heading back up to this area once again. But we first have to do that right here. So the first price point you need to look out for is this area right here, 815. That's the first level we need to get above. Once we get above this and in this area, our resistance line is 834. So those are the two numbers that you need to keep in your head, 815 and 834. Getting above 815 first, staying in there, not falling out like we did earlier, staying in there, then we can talk about us pushing back up to the resistance at 834. But the important part, guys, is that we stay in the green box. Wednesday, we tried to push up, fell right back out of it. We tested from the upside. Today, we gapped down. So really needs to get back in this green box because that's our buy zone. That's where a lot of activities happen. Notice last time we did this. Last time we pushed down, was this on a Friday? Yeah, it's the same scenario. Look, last Friday, or Friday before last, we did this. We pushed down, and then that next Monday, we gapped up, and the next day, we gapped up again. So this could be the same scenario playing off. We could see that playing off, but I would still be cautious. Don't go all in on Tesla because it is looking like this scenario right here. Don't go all in because we still could potentially drop. Now, if we drop, then our next buy zone is right in this area, but that is quite a ways down. 741, 754, that is quite a ways down below. So I doubt we'll get that low, but anything is possible when it comes to the market. So the key takeaway from this video is next week, Tuesday, getting back in this green box. This green box is where there's a bunch of buyers. We've had a bunch of buyers here before. Notice that every time we got back in this box, we popped up. We popped up. We popped up. This time, rejection. But guess what? We have the same scenario here like we did previously. We have this lower high right here. We have this high right here. So what we need is some continuation, push up, test it. This be our next higher low. Same scenario here. This be our next higher low. So you get the pattern, guys. Just slowly, all we do is just continue to push up. So that is why it's crucial that I've been telling you that we do not get below this. If we get below this, then we could have some trouble. Overall, I'm still bullish on Tesla in the long term. Of course, I'm never selling Tesla for a loss. All I do is add on to it. And this is the reason why. This is the exact reason why Tesla is an amazing company to be holding. There's no reason for you to worry, no reason for you to panic. And if you look at the S&P 500, hopefully if we get some bullish momentum back on this on Tesla, inside Tesla, then we can be pushing up on the market next week as well. We broke this downtrend that we were having in the market, broke it today, came back above it, tested it. So I am bullish on the market going into next week, but still cautious because anything can happen and it will happen. I wanted to stick this clip in here because Tesla, like a lot of things, pushed up at the end of the day. So we did technically get back in that green box that I was talking about in the previous clip. Now, For real, this literally happened the last 15-30 minutes of close. Like, we were doing nothing the whole day, and then just out of nowhere a huge amount of buyers came in across the board on everything. Look at the Nasdaq, it ran up into close. Look at the S&P 500, it ran up into close. So once again, guys, the market closed at all-time highs. Tesla ran up at the end of close. So as long as we stay in this green box, we're barely in it, but we're in it, we should be doing just fine. Either way, thank you for tuning in. Appreciate all of y'all being here. Hope you enjoyed my Tesla analysis, and I will see you all in the next video.